Hey there, welcome back. I am Lakin Kennedy, founder of MyGovTrax. This is the third and final part of the custom search demonstration. So you should already be familiar with how to navigate your way through those base searches categorically. You should have already watched the video on upcoming contracts for custom search and awarded contracts for custom search. And now we're going to get into the final one, which is searching by companies. So as a reminder, this was our awarded contract search that we looked at, right? So that's what those results look like. When we're searching by the company's report type, what we get is going to look like this. So I went with, to get this, I went with, I want to say IT companies in California. Using the base search. Okay. So what we have for the fields are company, NAICS name, city, state, address, phone number, NAICS code, UEI, alternate phone, website, and industry. So, when we're looking at this, that is the company. Too easy. The NAICS name is probably the most important bit of information that you'll gather from this, which this one says all other telecommunications, right? That is a NAICS name. There might be other NAICS names that have telecommunications in them. And when you run a report here, that's what you will find. I'm focused on the company's identity, okay? Because this is a company's listing. I'm not focused on the contracts that they've worked, which is why you don't see product or service name. Just focused on the NAICS name, because that's how they identify themselves. All right. The city, right, is the same city that you'll see right here. The state is the same format that you see here. It is not, California, right? It's just CA. You have the address. So 311 Sycamore Street. If you know that, if you know a business's address and you're not finding out their name or any other criteria, go ahead and check out their address. You might find something there. Phone number listed right there. It's a little bit difficult with phone numbers because sometimes the phone numbers will be in a different format. Essentially, you have the parentheses and the dashes and the spaces and all that good jazz. So maybe by looking up the last four of the phone number, that might be a solid method of searching these companies, if the phone number is how you would find them. NAICS code, if you are a veteran in the industry or you have searched contracts before, you will probably know your NAICS code off the top of your head. I implore you to try out the NAICS name because there might be other NAICS out there that are similar to the one that you're searching. You might just come across them by using the name. So instead of entering multiple, just say telecommunications, right? Or post-production. There's probably a few other post-production stuff, post-production type NAICSs or maybe production is what I would recommend there. Website. Not all these companies have websites listed. It's kind of a hit or miss thing. If I can get the website, I have it. I want to say that there are around 10,000 websites, 10,000 companies, and we have like 30,000 companies. So websites are more saturated in some than others. Okay. That is really it. Industry is the same that you'll search the other way, but maybe you want to encompass a few other industries. So that is that. Just since we have 47 seconds left, let's look at companies where the NAICS name has software, right? Because this is a big one. What we'll find a company's report, software publishers, software merchant wholesalers. See what you can find. There's options out there. So have a great rest of your day.